Use a chiffon or georgette sari for this method. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Tuck the end of the sari, non-pallu end on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and tuck on the left waist. Draping the sari over, bring it to the front. Bring the pallu over the left shoulder and make pleats to secure it with a pin. Now make pleats in the lower area . And tuck it in the center. Use a silk cotton sari for this method. Tuck the end of the sari non-pallu end on the right side and bring it around the waist to the back side. Tuck it in fully while doing the same. Bring it towards the front again and leave some length of fabric and tuck on the left waist. Draping the sari over, bring it to the front. Bring the pallu over the left shoulder, keeping it short. Simply crush the fabric and leave it. Now make pleats on the front. And in the process, fold the sari near the left waist to show the border in an extra pleat. Then tuck the pleats in the center. Now take the pallu, bring it over the chest, underarms, and take the short end over the right shoulder from front to back. And secure it with a pin.